Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, somewhere right here. Secure it tightly with the band, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna place my finger on the sensor right here on the back, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, let's continue with the measurement. So let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the crown button or the side button. And once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the blood oxygen icon. It looks like this, and tap on it to open the blood oxygen widget. And now I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor and tap on start to start the measurement. Remember to not move too much, and also check if the watch is secured tightly on your arm, or your wrist rather. As you can see, it didn't detect the the blood oxygen, so let's try again. The sensor didn't pick up the finger. Now, this time it worked, and here we have our result. And once you're done, you can tap on done and tap on start to measure it again, or you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.